Hey guys, so I decided to do another little grocery pickup or delivery from Walmart. And since you guys seem to like that video last time, I decided I'll just do another one. This one is not as big of a haul as that one, but I just wanted to show you what I got. So the first thing that I'm excited about that I'm going to start with is, guys, found this at Walmart. The Premier Protein, the cookie dough. I have not tasted yet, but I'm excited to see what this tastes like because I really like the cake batter. So I got that. I'm gonna do that in a protein coffee probably in a minute, and I'll probably record a separate video, then you know how that tastes. At Sam's Club, they're having a lot of different instant savings discounts, and one of the things that they're having is discounts on the Premier Protein. So you're getting $5.50 off, which makes these, they normally $26 and something. So it comes out to $20.74 before tax. So I think I paid $23.10 for these. I have the caramel, and I also have the vanilla. I would have gotten the cake batter, but that was out of stock, so I did not get that. So that's what I got. So I am stocked up good when it comes to the protein. I went ahead and got me some more. This is from Walmart. The rest of this in the delivery. I got some more salmon. I like having salmon for my choice of meat for protein. I got some shredded lettuce because I'm going to need that for some wraps I'm going to be doing. I haven't tried these yet, but it's the cottage cheese with the fruit. I got the strawberry and I got a blueberry one. I'm going to try that out. These have 14 grams of protein and 160 calories for the whole thing. I have some sour cream because I am also going to be using that in one of the wraps. And well as I have a dish that I may film. It's called a taco spaghetti dish, something like that. But I may film that, so I also needed it for that. That's why I have two taco packets. I also have the Rotel tomatoes and green chili. I can't think. But anyway, they have, this is one of the things that they want inside of it, as well as the spaghetti. I got to pick up the ground beef. I haven't had these, but I thought this would be good for some protein or for some days when I can't eat that much. If you are on Mounjaro, you may be having the same thing I have, where eating enough calories or enough food sometimes is a struggle, especially getting enough protein in. And so this right here has some cheese, some ham, some turkey. It has 14 grams of protein, so that's some quick protein there. I love these ratios. I told you about 25 grams of protein, real quick, only 170 calories. I have, I think 3 or 4. I have 4 of the vanilla, and Walmart was also giving $1 back cash if you bought 4. I don't know if they're doing that in store, but I did it online. So I have 4 of that flavor. I have 1 of the strawberry. And then I haven't tried this one out. It's by them as well, but this one is only 15 grams of protein for the serving and 200 calories. I'm not sure why so much more calories. Because this is a 5.3 ounce and this is a 5.3 ounce, but for whatever reason, this has more calories. Hold 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back, guys. I had to open the door for my son and daughter-in-law. So anyway, I don't forget where I left off. I think I left off on this, trying to figure out why this has more calories than this does. But anyway, I have the coconut flavor. I'm going to give that a try. I haven't tried it. And then I decided to get some of this cheesy Mexican rice. I've had it before. It is good. And this is something that I will be pairing with one of my dishes. I got a cucumber as a little quick snack, or you can put in a salad. We needed some more forks and spoons, which these are on sale for $1.98 a piece at Walmart. Got some bananas. Need to get some potassium in, as well as trying to up my intake of fruit. And then I do have a little bag. I haven't tried these zero sugar Reese's cups. I got this. I'm going to try some protein pudding and put that on top. I'll probably do a video of that and let you guys see. So anyway, this is all that I got in my grocery delivery pickup. If you guys like videos like this, as I always tell you, let me know. Drop down and leave a comment. Give this video a like, share it out. And I'll see you in my next video.